Well, first up on the bulletin, the TMC is all set to move the Supreme Court over the alleged nexus between the BJP and NIA. TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee claims that they have proof of a parcel exchange between the BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari and NIA official. But the BJP has rubbished these allegations. Listen in to what the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee had to say first.
बिल्कुल जाएंगे और भैया सुन लो, जो एनआईए के हित में बोल रहे हैं ना कि कोई मीटिंग नहीं हुआ था, उनको बस इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि मीटिंग का आप छोड़ दो। आपके हाथ में पैकेट था। बीजेपी का जो आदमी गया एनआईए का ऑफिसर के घर में, वो सफेद शर्ट पहन के हाथ में पैकेट लेके घुसा है और जब निकला है तो बिना पैकेट के निकला है। इसका हाई क्वालिटी फुटेज भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हम लोग देंगे। उसका हिम्मत है तो फिर उसको जो बोलना है वो कोर्ट में बोले।
Well, the BJP meanwhile has rubbished the allegations of TMC over proof of a parcel exchange which had happened and said that it's all completely false. In fact, let's listen into the BJP's reaction.
जाने दीजिए, तो बहुत बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट गया था, मेरा खिलाफ तो 7 बार गया। एनआईए का इन्वेस्टिगेशन बंद करने के लिए डाल खोला शिवपुरा रिसरा जो रामनवमी में पिछले साल हादसा हुआ था, उसका खिलाफ भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट गया था। शाहजहां का ईडी सीबीआई कस्टडी रोकने के लिए गया था, केस्टो मंडल को सेव करने के लिए गया था, चोरों को संरक्षण देने के लिए गया था, लेकिन फायदा कुछ नहीं हुआ। देश का हायर जुडिशियरी चलता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और कानून के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर विश्वास सबको रखना चाहिए।
Well, the entire episode started after the TMC alleged that there was an unholy nexus between the BJP and NIA in West Bengal. In fact, TMC has claimed that BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari has met NIA SP Dhanram Singh and a parcel was exchanged as well. As you just heard Abhishek Tiwari allege, he said that they have a video proof of this and they are going to be producing this before the apex court. In fact, the TMC has slammed the BJP of multiple counts, starting with a parcel exchange, alleged parcel exchange between the BJP leader and NIA official. TMC also has slammed, saying that the heads of central agencies were handpicked by the BJP, including the DG of NIA, and also slammed the Saffron Party for changing West Bengal's DGP 3 times in 24 hours. Well, the TMC is, of course, confident of the video footage, proof that it has, and said that it would be submitting it to the Supreme Court to prove that the meeting did indeed take place. On the other hand, the BJP has dismissed the TMC claim, saying that the TMC government also tried to stop Shahjahan Sheikh's custody, remember, of the CBI, and this was in reference to Sandesh Khali incident. Meanwhile,